Did you know your liver performs over 500 vital functions a day? But when you have fatty liver, those processes slow down, toxins build up, inflammation spreads, and your energy? Gone. So today I'm giving you one powerful drink, backed by science, to naturally support your liver health. Hi, and welcome to Health and Beauty Base YouTube channel. Fatty liver disease has exploded in recent years. And here's the surprising part. It's not just caused by alcohol. The incidence of fatty liver disease has skyrocketed in the last decade. Most people do not have an idea why they are being diagnosed with fatty liver disease. Most people think that the number one reason of fatty liver disease is alcohol consumption. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by metabolic imbalance and chronic inflammation. So unless you address both, your liver can't truly heal. That's why this drink works. Every ingredient targets the root cause. I'm going to share with you the ingredients of this drink and why I'm using them over here. And then I'm going to tell you how to prepare and how to consume it properly. So let's get started. First up, beetroot rich in betaine, which reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. It also boosts bile production, essential for fat breakdown and detox. A 2017 study showed beetroot helped reduce liver fat and improved liver function. Next, apples. 2 reasons apples are liver-friendly. The skin has quercetin, an antioxidant that calms liver inflammation. The fiber, pectin, acts like prebiotics feeding good bacteria, indirectly reducing liver fat. A 2015 study linked apple pectin to better liver enzyme levels. Third, flax seeds. Packed with omega-3s, lignans, and protein, all proven to fight liver inflammation. A 2016 study found omega-3s from flax improved liver function in fatty liver patients. Next, lemon juice. Loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that shields your liver from damage. Animal studies show it protects against oxidative stress and inflammation. Next, turmeric contains curcumin, known for reducing inflammation and aiding detox. A 2019 meta-analysis confirmed curcumin improved liver enzyme levels in NAFLD patients. Then we have cucumber, hydrating and rich in antioxidants, helps flush out toxins and cool inflammation. And finally, cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, a key factor in reversing metabolic issues. A 2014 study found cinnamon extract improved liver markers in fatty liver patients. Here's how to make it. Into a blender, add 1 cup unsweetened almond or coconut milk, juice of 1 lemon, 1 small beetroot peeled and chopped, 1 medium apple chopped with skin, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half cucumber chopped, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, a few ice cubes optional. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour, drink. Done. Best time to drink it? Morning on an empty stomach. But if that doesn't work for you, make it an afternoon snack. Drink it daily for at least 3 to 4 weeks. This isn't a quick fix, but with consistency, you'll feel it. Less bloating, more energy, better digestion, and over time, your liver enzymes may improve too. So try it out. And let me know in the comments, how did it work for you? If you liked this video, hit the like button. And if someone you know is struggling with fatty liver, share this with them. Subscribe for more tips on healing your body naturally. See you next time. Take care.